Hello and welcome. This is your instructor for Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Internship Program organized by Algorithmic Electronics. So students, why we are offering internship program to all of you? Nowadays AI/ML is boosting, as well as you can get better opportunities in the future. So let's discuss regarding this program. Our internship structure will be divided into two parts. First will be training and second will be projects. Internship duration will be 3 months. 12 different training modules are included in that, including basic Python, advanced Python, NLP, web development. We will discuss it later on. Let's come to the projects. 10 plus mini projects are covered in this syllabus. It's totally depend on AI/ML domain. Our training mode will be online recorded sessions. So students, there is one fear in mind. Through online sessions, how we can learn, how we can solve our queries. So don't worry, we are here to support you. Our technical support is there. In that, our technical support number is there, which is activated on Monday to Saturday 10 AM to 5 PM. Our internship fees will be 2,500 rupees. It is very less according to market survey. We will take sessions on Saturday for solving your doubts. It will be live question answer sessions. We will take it by Google Meet. Let's come to the project. So our project duration will be 2 months. After your training, we will assign you one project as well as one mentor to solve your queries. That mentor will take session on every Saturday. You can discuss with him your new project ideas as well as your doubts. Definitely you will get hands-on practice as well as you can gain valuable experience. Students, we are giving stipend to every student, 500 rupees per project. Let's come to the syllabus. In module 1, that is basic Python, we are discussing regarding overview of Python language, loops in Python, numbers, strings, as well as dictionary, date and time, set, tuple. So total 18 points are covered in module 1. Module 2 is advanced Python. In that we are covering classes, objects, sending ML using Python, basics of object oriented programming. So total 7 points are covering in module 2. Module 3 is NumPy, introduction to NumPy, array shape, array reshape, array search, array sort. So total 12 points are we are covering in module number 3. Module number 4 is pandas. So pandas series, pandas data frame, cleaning empty cells, pandas plotting. So total 11 points we are covering in module 4. Module 5 is matplotlib. So label, grid, scatter, bar, histogram. Total 10 points we are covering in module 5. Module 6 is one of the main important module, that is machine learning. So introduction to machine learning, applications of machine learning, how to get data sets, as well as supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning. So total 10 points we are covering in module number 6. Module 7 is supervised learning. So in that, linear regression, simple linear regression, logistic regression. Total 7 points we are covering in module number 7. Module number 8 is classification. So classification algorithm, KNN algorithm. So total 8 points we are covering in module number 8. Module number 9 is unsupervised machine learning. So in that, basics of unsupervised learning, need of unsupervised learning, K means clustering. Total 5 points we are covering in module number 9. Module number 10 is NLP, means natural language processing. So what is NLP? History of NLP, applications of NLP. So total 10 points we are covering in module number 10. Module number 11 is computer vision. It's totally CNN theory. So introduction to CNN architects, transfer learning, teachable machine. So total 8 points we are covering in module number 11. Last but not the least, module number 12, web application development, that is Flask framework, introduction to Flask framework, routine, request objects, hosting. So total 11 points we are covering in module number 12. So that's it for the day, guys. If you have any queries in the future, definitely call us. We will help you out. Thank you so much.